What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, and good morning from Cape Town, South Africa. Guys, Dent is absolutely exploding. We're up 28% on the day. Bitcoin had a bit of a throwback, and some of the altcoins are just blowing up. It's altcoin season once again. So we're going to go over the chart, guys. Currently, we're sitting at a market cap of 566 million, and the 24-hour volume is 159 million. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You see $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's pop straight into it, guys. We're going to start here on the daily chart, and we can see Dent is heading up to that price target, the 0.5 and the Fibonacci at a 0.005. Now we're extremely overbought, guys. Look how high we are on the RSI. We're currently sitting at 89, and we haven't been that high since we were at the peak of our bull run. We broke through that level just a little bit here, but Dent is getting quite overextended, so I would expect some pullback. If we do come up and hit 0.0059, I would expect a little bit of correction here, possibly bring us down to 0.0044, but Bitcoin is showing tremendous strength. The fact that we're consolidating at this price level is absolutely mind-blowing in my opinion, and shows that the bulls are extremely strong. As we went over, we're having the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 is extremely strong sign for Dent, and I see a lot of juicy gains coming for Dent. So shout out to everyone who's invested or who is trading Dent. It's a sleeper pick, as I've been mentioning for the last 5 months or so. Definitely a sleeper in my opinion. So we're here on the 4-hour chart. We came up, we were overbought. We had just a wee bit of sell-off, and Bitcoin decided it was going to have a throwback from our double top pattern. It had a beautiful throwback here. I am expecting a rollover. It's due here, guys. If we do break this high, that would just be insane, and would show tremendous strength here, but I would expect a little bit of a rollover and some more consolidation for Bitcoin, but I'll do a Bitcoin video a bit later today. So we can see here that Dent is working its way up to 0.0059. Now this will be a major level of support here at 0.0044. As you can see here, we created a high and we created a higher high, but we've created a lower high on the RSI, which is a bearish divergence. Do keep an eye on that, guys. If you're trading Dent, I wouldn't hesitate to take some profits here at about 0.0059. Now your next level of resistance is the golden ratio up here at 0.0081. If we break through that, now we will have a correction before then, but we break through that, we back test it as support. We're absolutely good to go on this bull run for Dent, and then we'll head up to break our all-time high and head up to our future price targets at 4 cents and 11 cents for Dent, which is a juicy gain of over 2,000%. All right, guys. So just a little quick update for Dent. It's showing tremendous strength, but as you can see here on the daily, we are extremely overbought. So we should see a correction. It is imminent in my opinion. But as you can see, Bitcoin is looking extremely strong. I did expect us to correct a bit harder. Still a possibility, guys, that we come down to 42K, but I'm going to do an update for Bitcoin, so I don't want to give away everything here. So your next target is 0.0059, and your levels of support are here at 0.0044. Now we do have 0.002, but honestly, I don't see Dent coming all the way back down to that level unless Bitcoin were to break 42K as support, but it's looking extremely strong, guys. So those are your next price targets. And your future price targets for this bull run are 4 cents and 11 cents for Dent. And I do strongly believe that Dent will make it here. There's a lot of Dent haters like, oh, it's no good, tokenomics, no news. Guys, we're in a bull market. When you're in a bull market, the coins pump. They don't need news. All they need is Bitcoin to continue to rise. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Please sign up to Bybit for over $1,600 in bonuses, my favorite platform for leverage trading. And make sure to follow me on social. Make sure to do all that good. Absolutely smash that like button if you got some value, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love.